Hey crafters, today I'm very excited to show you guys my new fluffy wood slime. And it's a very good poking slime actually. And all I used to make it was wood glue, any type of wood glue. I used Elmer's wood glue because Elmer's is a very trusted slime brand. And I took just shaving cream. And I just kept on and so I mixed that together. And then this fluffy slime, you do not need sorry. You don't need borax or eye contact solution. I just use liquid detergent and it just became into a slime. Oops, my cup fell down. I really love how this came out. I'm not storing this in a bag because I don't want this to dry out. So currently it was in this bag, but I'm keeping this bag for later. But I'm placing it in my container that I got with my package, my slime package. And it's really cool because today I just got the slime package and I made slime. So let's go show you guys how to make this. What you're going to need for this is a mixing bowl, detergent, wood glue, and something to mix with. I'm using pasta spoon. And shaving cream. So let me go get that stuff. You can have food coloring as up to. We have shave foam or shaving cream. So first you're going to want to have a clean bowl. I know this doesn't look clean because I made slime in this container. But you just want to pour the amount that you want. I know I'm making a lot for this video. It's just because I'm going to make it blue. And then add in your food coloring. And then add in your shaving cream. That's how much shaving cream you're going to want. And then you're just going to mix this. This is a really pretty slime so far, guys. I'll cut back to when I'm ready. And before I go, I tell you guys, a good look is like this. I'm adding a little more shaving cream into it because I want a nice fluffy slime. Your texture kind of wants to look like marshmallow fluff. When mixing, you're going to want to add in a little bit of detergent time by time. So I just pour a little bit of detergent into the detergent cup that has, and just pour like a little bit at a time. And it should start becoming a good fluffy slime. I'm actually really liking this blue color. If it stills like, because wood glue kind of is a weird glue. It basically like sucks itself in. You don't want that. You want to add a little more detergent if that is happening to you with your wood glue. And it's okay if it's a little sticky. A lot of sticky, I don't know, because haven't gotten a lot of sticky wood glue foams. This is my only second one, but I know that if it is a little sticky, take off a piece and start kneading it. If your hand looks like that, you're going to need a little more detergent. Oops, that was a lot. I think this fluffy slime, might become bad because of that extra bit of detergent. This is a very big slime. You kind of want to mix the detergent in there fully, because you don't want to place it in your bag and it's like really detergent-y.